Hey everyone, so today I'm unboxing a new light that I purchased off Amazon. It is a Neewer SL-60. It is, I think, very similar to the Godox, if not the same SL-60, but anyway, I decided to go with the Neewer brand. I've got a few other things by them, so we'll do a quick unboxing, see what's inside, and then turn the light on and see some of the features. So let's open up the box. Now, I used to have an Aputure 120D about a year ago. I went all out and bought that and never really used it because I didn't know what I was doing, so I sold it on, but I'm getting back into lighting, so this is why I bought this. This power cord and instructions, etc. Now, the reason I didn't go with an Aputure is because I just wanted to try a cheaper light to start off with, see if I like this whole lighting stuff. It's quite time consuming and you've got to fiddle a little bit around with lights to get them looking good. So just don't want to do a massive investment and then find that I'm going to sell it again. So here's what's in the box. Got the reflector. And I think that is slightly different to the Godox actually, because I think that one had a little hole in it for the umbrella. And here is the actual light. So I'll do a bit of a close-up. And it comes with a little cover. Just pull that down and that. And the light's in there. I'm just getting the remote control, so it also comes with a remote. And I'll just put the, oh no, it does come with this. So I'm just looking at that. It does come with the little insert there that the umbrella can go through, just there. Okay, so we'll put that on. You just come up to the camera and hold it, so just line up the little discs and turn, and there is the light all together. So I'll get it on a nightstand and we'll pop it on and see what it looks like. So just undoing this and the lever. Okay, I'll plug it in and then we'll turn it on. So here I am back in the frame. That's really bright, as you can see, so I'm just going to put up a little bit of this diffusion to see if we can get a better picture. So that's just to give you an idea. I also bought a softbox for it, so I'll pop that on and test that out in the next video, so just stay tuned for that. I'll just show you the back of the light and the remote, just to give you an idea of what the light can do. Alright, so I'm at the back of the light now. We'll just turn the light on. You can see there's some channel choices there, so you can choose, I think, up to 16 channels across 6 groups. This is the button that winds up your percentage, so 100 all the way down to 10 is the lowest it does. That's your temperature of the light. I believe it's 70 degrees the light turns off for safety reasons. And here's the remote, so you can operate, increase the intensity and also change the Kelvin from the remote. And I think once you turn the light off, I believe it comes back on to where you left it off, so 27 at 4500. Let's just see. Yep. So that's the light. Hopefully that was helpful to you in some way. Just one thing to note that I worried about was the fan noise. There's a bit of talk about whether the fan's too loud. At the moment I've got the light on and it is about a ruler length or so, 30 or so, 40 centimeters from the camera. So I'll just be quiet for a minute to see if you can hear the fan. Unfortunately, I've got some cicadas in the back. summer here in Australia, and we've got little things called cicadas that make a lot of noise that actually come through the windows even though I've got them closed. So hopefully, I'm not sure what we heard there, we'll see on the mic when I do the post. As far as the specs, just if for anyone interested, the light has a lux of 4100 at 1 meter, and it has a CRI of over 95 and a TLCI of over 90. It weighs about 1.6 kilos and doesn't come with a bag or anything, just as you saw from the box. And the remote didn't come with any batteries, so that required 2 AAA batteries. And that's about it. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. I'll be using the video light for my future videos on YouTube, and probably the next one I'll do is with the Neewer softbox on it, just to see how the light looks. Obviously it's very bright without any diffusion on it, so I'm going to experiment with different ways of bouncing it and hopefully making it look film-like, nice and soft and cinematic. So if you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up, leave comments, say hello. I like to chat to my subscribers and viewers, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. See you later, bye.